How to fix a Snapchat not opening error. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to fix a Snapchat opening error is you have to simply go to your settings of your device, and then you can simply, and it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. You can watch a full tutorial. After that, you have to scroll down, and then you have to tap on the apps, find the apps and tap on the apps, and here you can see the option manage apps. Click on the manage apps, and here you can simply search for the Snapchat, and you can find it without any scrolling, and then open the Snapchat by clicking on this. And after that, what you can do is you can click on the storage, and here you have to simply click on the clear data, and you have to clear a cache, and then clear cache by clicking on the OK button, and here you can see the cache is cleared. But if there is if you the it still not, if you again go back to your Snapchat, and if it there is still the problem of opening, then what you have to do is you have to again click on the clear data in the bottom, and then you have to click on the delete all data by clicking on the OK button, and it will restart your Snapchat account. So your Snapchat account, so if there is error on your Snapchat account, then all the errors or all the such catches will be cleared, and now you have refreshed your Snapchat account. Now when you go back to your Snapchat account, then here you can see, now when I go back to my Snapchat account, then it will ask you to log in. So simply click on the login, and you have to allow, and then you have to allow all these things, and then you can simply log into your account, and then you can click on the login button and log in to your account by clicking on the login. And after logging to your account, you have to click on the turn on, and then you can allow all the features and allow this, and allow the audio, allow contacts. Now when you go back to your now when you go back, then here you can see there is the Snapchat account, and then when you go click on your Bitmoji in the top right corner, and you have to simply again go back to your chats, and here you can see all your chats is here. And then you can also go back to your memories by clicking on the memories, and you can see all your memories. Then here you can see there all my memories storage is still. So that's basically it, that how you can fix a Snapchat not opening error. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.